Hello crafters, I'm coming in with another KsCraft project, and I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to put together this cute little gift box. So there's two sizes. There's a smaller one. This one's about 3 inches by 1.5, I'm pretty sure. And then let me check this one out. I may be slightly off, but I'll give you the true measurements at the end. This one is about 3.5 by looks like 2 inches or close to it. So definitely check out KsCraft stores because I really think that these are going to be really useful for gift giving and putting small little things in there like chapstick or tiny little candies or, you know, the little tiny little lip smacker things. It's, you know, I think that these are perfect. And then also I am using this really super cute printable paper from Nina Craft on, I think it's Etsy. I'm pretty sure. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is where I got it. I purchased this last year and so I'm excited to use it. And I think it's super cute with the little snowmen and the little gnomes and the cupcakes and the candy canes. Just love it. Super duper adorable. I love how it has the little Christmas lights in the background. So that's adorable. Anyway, I will go ahead and get everything cut and show you how many pieces you're going to need for each. Okay, so this box is actually going to be very easy to put together. It basically, for the base, it comes all in one piece, which is very nice. So you're just going to cut one of those, okay? And that's for this piece right here. For the star, I went ahead and cut 2 because of the embossing line. So I wanted to have it embossed on both sides, but you know, that's completely up to you. I also did one of each of these, except for this one. I did one with a pattern and one with the acetate. And I know I just have this so that you can actually see that it is acetate. And then of course I have my little decorative edge around my box. So I think this is going to be super easy to put together. I'm going to do like a speed through of this one because it's that simple. Anyway, let me go ahead and get started and I'll be right back. I did want to mention that I'm going to go ahead and put my acetate on the back of this piece right here. And I just wanted to do that really quickly because I'm using glue and I just want it to dry. And so that's why I'm doing that. But the rest of this is going to be super easy and I'm going to do it on speed through. One thing I did want to mention is you're going to want to come in here and just open up that little slit a little bit. I remember now that Hannah did mention this on her video that because of the line constraints that they have, that it wouldn't allow them to fully cut in between there. So it's really super simple. You just do a little tiny sliver and then pull those off. I think these turned out super cute. I'm going to have some close-up pictures afterwards because when I try to zoom in, these are so tiny. When I tried to zoom in on it for you, the screen got blurry. So, but let me give you the measurements for these really quick. Again, this one is 3 inches by 1.5, and then it is a 1/2 inch in width. And then we have, this one is 3.5 by 1 7/8, and then this is 5/8 inches. And they are just so adorable. I just put some little beads in here to give away to some of my crafty friends for Christmas. And then I have some of the little candy beads in here too. I think they're really fun. This paper collection is actually mine. It's called A Beautiful Christmas, and it is available in my Etsy shop. I will have that link down below. And again, this is from Nina Craft. And actually, I realized that this was a freebie. I don't know if it is this year, but it was last year. So you might want to check her out on Etsy as well. She had a couple freebie sheets. And mine is actually a physical paper collection, and it is 8.5 by 8.5, and you get 12 double-sided sheets, and then you get a extra ephemera page. So I hope you all love this. Don't forget to check out KsCraft for these fun little gift boxes. They are not that expensive, and don't forget that KsCraft is having a sale, and just check it out, guys. The links will be all down below in the description box. Have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I'll see you all next time with another KsCraft Christmas project. Bye, guys.